Hi everyone, hello from snowy London. Yes, it's snowing and it's super cold, which is why I wanted to kind of talk about skincare because my skin is extremely dry. This is the first winter I'm experiencing in like 4 years, having lived in Malaysia. So I kind of wanted to go through my current skincare routine, more affordable. Toner that I start off with, so I still wash my face with the simple face wash, which I have had in my previous videos so many times. It's the same face wash that I use. It's a drugstore, it's amazing. And then I go on to, toner, I was gonna say the fresh rose toner, but yeah, that's my toner. It's very hydrating. I do find, even when I was living in Malaysia, I did at one point use this as well. So I do think it's suitable for every sort of skin type. And the next thing that I do after toner is actually vitamin C. Now, there are so many vitamin C's in the market. For me, personally, I have tried so many and I'm still, this is probably, out of my entire skincare right now, I think this is the most expensive that I have in this current routine. So it is the Tatcha Vitamin C, Violet C Brightening Serum, and I apply like a very thin layer on my face straight after the toner, and I do absolutely love this. If you do have any suggestions for any other vitamin C's that you have tried and that you really like, please do leave it in the comments. I would love to try, and I would love to suggest, or maybe other viewers could see these comments as well and they might want to go and try it out. Now, what I usually do is I like to put on my eye cream before I put on my moisturizer. So I've been trying this for a little while. It's the Kiehl's, it's this one that I use. It's the creamy eye treatment with avocado. It's super moisturizing. So I would probably say if you are somebody with, you know, a lot of wrinkles, age, it could be anything, it could be fine lines, it could be tiredness, it could be just dehydration, it could be just dry under eyes. I do think this is a miracle worker. I'm noticing it more now. It's obviously age as well, but at the same time, the dryness, I feel the dryness. So I do really love this. Very small amount. I just kind of mix it in my fingers and then just sort of like pat it in and massage it. I also use it on the top eyelid, especially in the evening. So I use this eye cream morning and night, okay? Not the other products, it's just this one I use morning and night. Now, my moisturizer, it's not the La Mer anymore, guys. I do love it. And I just thought, I got this in a PR package from Kiehl's, and I actually tried this on a bride who was allergic to shea butter. And this one does not have shea butter in it, from what I've researched, correct me if I'm wrong, but she loved this moisturizer and I did as well. It's the Ultra Facial Cream. It's a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. So if you don't like anything too thick, but you do want something moisturizing, I think this is the perfect moisturizer, because when I put it on, it feels really cooling and gel-like, but then when I sort of like massage it into my skin, I feel that it's like very hydrating. So I do really like this. So is the moisturizer. This was also from a PR package. It's from Kiehl's as well. This is not you know, sponsored or anything like that, but I have been using this. I have been mentioning this in my Instagram videos as well. It's the Ultra Light Daily UV Defense. However, I mean, I do love this, but you do get that white cast. You do. And I guess, you know, it's like super good. It's SPF 50 and it has UVA, and UVB technology and anti-pollution protection, helps prevent first signs of aging, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff packed into this, and it is amazing. So what I do is sometimes when I feel like, oh, it looks a bit too white, I sometimes mix it with my moisturizer as well and apply it on, you know, this will be like after my eye cream, moisturizer, SPF, or you mix it with your SPF a little bit as well. I would probably say get a whole load on top of the moisturizer, and it doesn't matter if it's winter, you should wear sunscreen all the time, no matter when, no matter what season, no matter what day. I do love that. However, in a PR package, I got this Vichy. So I've been trying a lot of Vichy products as well, and they're super affordable, drugstore. I'm in love with this. I don't know if you have watched my videos years ago, okay? I used to use this Giorgio Armani SPF. It was like a liquid. It was like in a little white bottle, and it had a nice little nozzle, and I used to use it as a primer, and it had SPF as well, and it was amazing. And then they discontinued it, and I never ever found anything similar until this. Okay, so just to show you, so this is the other one, and this is actually very liquidy. It's very liquidy, and you can really put it on top of your moisturizer, and it does not leave a white cast, so I love it. And it's also SPF 50, so I think it's a hard one, it depends, but currently I have been using this a lot more, but I gotta see, because sometimes, yeah, like just because it's liquidy, you wanna make sure that you have enough on your face as well, right? Now, this brand, again, PR package, I'm really sorry that it is, but this is how I get to try new products, and this is how I get to tell you guys. Aurelia, so Aurelia is this is the brand, Aurelia London. So I do need to do a little bit of research actually, what the benefits are of a probiotic lip balm, but it feels amazing. And I don't know if it's psychological, but I feel like I've been using this for quite some time now. Like, I've had this sent to me a while ago, and I feel like it's kind of helped with my pigmentation around the lips. I could be wrong, but I do really like it. Smells lush, and it feels very waxy, and I feel like it stays on a lot longer. You know, some fancy lip balms, they kind of like don't stay on for a long time, so I do really like that one as well. Now, evening skincare, I do the same. I use my Garnier, which I have mentioned in so many of my videos, the Garnier Oil Control, so it's the yellow bottle. I use that one to remove all my makeup on a cotton pad, and then I basically wash my face with my Simple. You can use an oil cleanser as well. Honestly, I've tried so many cleansing balms or oil cleansers or whatever, and I think they're all the same. I could be wrong, but I just feel like I don't really notice that much of a difference. It's just preference. I personally like oils that are just like liquidy, so I can really, you know, but some people like balms because they just feel like, oh, it just really takes everything off and strips everything off. That's fine. And then I use my Simple face wash, and then I personally do one or the other. So I have been introducing retinol into my, this is amazing. I love this. I absolutely love this. This is their Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. So where it says microdose, it's actually a very low percentage of the retinol. They do have another product in Kiehl's that's a little bit stronger. So if you are used to retinol, definitely go for that. But if you're a beginner like me, then I would suggest this one. Okay, this is amazing. And if you don't know, there is a lot that you can read up on. AHA, BHA, niacinamide, you know, hyaluronic acid, and, you know, retinol, and there's so much information, but what I can say about retinol is it's definitely anti-aging, and it really tightens your skin. It really, I feel it does help with my pigmentation as well, just like the vitamin C. So I feel like these two are amazing products in my skincare routine. So with this, what I do, however, though, like I used to have to wear this only, like I tried this twice a week, and then I would put it on top of a serum. So this is my current favorite serum. It's from Vichy. It's their Booster Quotidien Fortifying and Plumbing Daily Booster. Okay, so it's just like, you're meant to wear this underneath a moisturizer, but I actually like this just on its own, because when I go to sleep, I like something super lightweight. I don't like anything feeling quite heavy on my skin. So I do really like this. I've only just started using this. So maybe I've been using this for about a week. Really like this. Really impressed with this actually. I used to have a really expensive product from a brand that basically did the same thing, and I feel like, yeah, this one's just as great. So I would put this on and then use a pump of the retinol on top and let it sit. Now I wear the retinol on its own. I don't need sort of like a base, so I use this 2 to 3 times a week as well. So, you know, just kind of introduce it into your skin slowly. If you're not a big fan of serums, you prefer face oils, I do have this restored face oil, but it's just anything. It could be vitamin E oil, it could be, you know, anything in terms of face oils that you really like. I'm just trying to think of, like, you know, inky list. There's quite a few brands. I'm just trying to think, like, affordable brands. La Roche-Posay, Vichy, they're all drugstore as well. So there's like a lot of brands that do great products that are affordable but also do the work. And so I just thought, yeah, this is my little current skincare. And I hope you liked this video. I'm sorry that if it felt like there was a lot of information. It's obviously quite a short video as well in comparison to all my other skincare videos, but I just thought I'll keep it really basic, I keep it really brief, and yeah, and just kind of suggest you some affordable products. They might still be a little bit expensive for some of you, and I'm really sorry about that. This is definitely a lot more affordable than all the beauty products that I have suggested in the past, and I just thought, since I did receive a lot of them in PR packages, let me try them out and, you know, sort of like tell you guys about it. So if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and watch out for my video next week. Mwah!